I'm just putting a final detail into this rear boot here, his right boot, and the sole of the shoe. I'm going to be working on his pants today. All right, I got to work on the pants. I'm under a great deal of stress today. I'm dealing with a foundry, a gallery, and 2 departments of the hospital in prep for the operation next week. And all this stuff that I've got to remember, the antibiotics that I've got to start on Friday for the operation, and meetings that I got to have on the drugs that I'm taking, which are so many. I've been taking over 10 or 11 different drugs over the last year, and they want to go over all that. And it's just all combining today, and it just fries your mind. And so it makes it hard to concentrate on what you're doing here. But I'll deal with it. I did tell the nurse that I know this is like an everyday thing for you, but it ain't an everyday thing for me. And she had to agree with me. But I'll get through it, and I'll be glad when this is over. But then again, it doesn't mean that everything else will be over. It just means it'll change into a different level of stress. I tell you, getting old is not for the weak. Now, as far as the legging or his pants, I've got to interpret how these pants will have wrinkled, and because I haven't got a model. I know the type of pants that he would be wearing, but I can't find any photographs of anybody wearing that kind of pants. So I've got to use my artistic imagination to try to come up with what I need to come up with. I've lowered the sculpting stand a little bit so that I can deal with this part of the sculpture a little more comfortably. It really does help to have an adjustable sculpting stand. They're expensive, but if you can afford it, it's worth getting them. This one actually this was a converted art stool or seat, and that an artist came up with a way of converting the seat into a sculpting stand, and it works really good. You can be into a sculpting stand hundreds of dollars, and if you can figure out how to make your own, it's well worth the effort. I'm thinking of putting a coat on him or a jacket. I just haven't decided yet. I think it'll add a little more flair to it. But I'll have to decide that as I go along here. Before I can do that, I gotta get the pants at least looking like pants. The thing about a three-dimensional figure is if you put a wrinkle in the pants from the front, it's got to match and make sense in the back. It's got to be connected to something else or end someplace else. That's the conundrum of sculpting a three-dimensional figure, is everything has got to correspond to what's going on in front and in the back. I just throwing out some clay here just to see what it might look like with a coat on. I'm not sure. No, not like that. I'm just trying to spark my imagination is what I'm trying to do here. Well, I don't know. Falling apart. Well, just trying an idea. Nothing permanent. Okay, it's time to work on this boot. Where there would be the pushing out of the clothing, the deformation of the knee area caused by kneeling down or squatting down or sitting or whatever would have a tendency to pull the pants out of the boot and cause a kind of a bubbling of the front knee area. I don't know how else to explain that. This is why you can't worry about all the anatomy underneath the pants or the clothing. It's because the clothing has a tendency to shape itself. Anyway, I've gone as far as I can today. I do notice that the knee needs to be narrowed down just a little bit because I got to match the same width in the legging or the leg in the pants as I have here, and I've gotten a little carried away, so I got to rework that a little bit. It's getting there, but very slowly, and I really don't know what if this is even a still workout or not. This whole thing could fail just in the clothing itself. So I've got to work this out and see what happens. Now there's a possibility, and it's just a very slim possibility, that I may have to go to the hospital to sit down with a doctor about the up and coming operation. I don't know. And if I do, and I have to do it tomorrow, and I'm not here, then you'll know that that's what I had to do. All right, everybody, have a great night. And this whole next week is going to be screwy because of, and the rest of this week's going to be screwy because of the up and coming operation next week. And I've tried to do my best to keep going here, just to keep my mind off everything. I'm liking the way he looks a lot. I don't know if a coat or a jacket on him would improve it or not. I don't know. All that I have to work out. All right, till next time, and yeah, next time. Good night, everybody. Have a great night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.